How to turn off online status in Facebook and Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on three lines on top left corner of your screen after you've logged into your Messenger account. After you've clicked on three lines on top left corner of your screen, click on Settings like icon on top right. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find active status on profile. Below dark mode and above username, simply click on active status and click on show when you're active. You can change it until I change it or for some hours. You can also custom time. After you're done, click on pause and you're good to go. This is how to turn off online status in Facebook and Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.